Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going over the drop test results of the phones that we drop tested. This one, you'll have to watch the video. I'm going to post it. This one is a beast. Pretty sure this is by far the strongest phone I have on my channel. It did extremely well. I put it through some really rough conditions. I threw it out the car window, I think 2 times. I ran over it once at a high speed of like 30-40 miles an hour. And then we drove over in the end. And I mean, this thing, guys, did a great job. The hinge is a little rougher than it was. But it's really surprising that this phone actually made it. I put a little banner on there. Said the last day. But you can't kill that one, guys. The LG Ravine, I think it is. It did fine. Seems to be working. Just took a bunch of nicks around there. Kind of indented the battery casing on the throw drop because it landed straight on the back. The battery's still fine though. I think it's kind of got a little indent in there. I don't know, but it seems to be doing fine. I see them. There you go. See the nicks from the open face drop. I mean, it did really good, guys, surprisingly, as well. Not as good as the Casio, because it didn't get thrown out the window. I don't know if it would have survived that. We'll grab a battery and test the Samsung and the Motorola, so give me 1 second, and let me grab some batteries. I'm not sure if this battery is going to fit, but we'll find out. I know it's not really the exact battery. And looky there, the Samsung made it too. This one made the, or survived all the drop tests, but it really did take some damage right here on this bezel. It cracked. Right there, as you can tell. It split apart. The vibrator's still working, it looks like. Took a pretty hefty indent right there, probably from the open face drop. FaceTime drop, it looked like it scratched really bad on the camera. And then the back cover just took some little indents into the plastic. It didn't break it at all though, so that's pretty good. This one is locked. I have found a way to bypass some of the Samsung Altel phones. If you guys remember the U420 that was locked. I spent literally 2 days trying to figure out how to unlock this phone, and I actually got it. I was able to fully unlock it, and it took forever, guys. But, getting off topic here. So yeah, the Convoy, looks like it made it. I might try that reset procedure on it, but as you can tell, it broke really bad right there on that corner. But still working, so we'll go and just put the back on it. And then the Motorola C139, if I have a battery around here handy. Let me see if I can find one real quick, guys. So guys, I can't find a battery for the stupid Motorola right now, but I'm going to assume that it still works, sensing that it really didn't take any drops. If this one broke, and these 3 flip phones survived all of them, then that's sad. So we're going to go ahead and call it that it still works, assumingly. But there we go. That's the results for now. I guess we can take a look at the damages on this one. It really didn't take nothing at all. It really didn't have no weight behind it since it didn't have the battery. So I mean, yeah, like I said, it really didn't do much. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And the drop tests that are going to be coming soon. And stay tuned for the next one.